Welcome back, students. Today let us learn about types of soil. Soil in different places look different in color because the mixture of different things in it looks different in color and texture. Yes. Now what are the types of soil? The types of soil are clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Soil that contains the smallest particles is called clayey soil. Yes, here in this soil, clayey soil, the particles are tightly packed. Clay soil also holds lot of water. It does not drain well at all. When water is poured, it holds the water. See, when water is poured, it is not draining the water at all. It is holding the water in it. Yes, and it will also not have spaces in between them because the very little space in between them, there will be very little air. So plants root will not be able to breathe in such kind of soil. So plants cannot grow well in such kind of soil, and when it is dry it will be very smooth, but when it is wet it will be very sticky. Yes, if it is dry it will be very smooth. This kind of clay soil is used to make earthen pots. Even the toys, idols are made using this type of soil, but it is not good for growing the plants. This is sandy soil. This type of soil we can see in seashores, oceans, and also in the park. Yes, it will be rough when we touch it. It will be like granules. It will not be smooth and soft as clay soil. It will be rough and it cannot hold water in it. Yes, that is why plants do not grow well in sandy soil. See, when the water is poured, all the most of the water is drained out from the soil. But in clay soil, it holds the water in it, so it will not drain out the water in clay soil. But here it cannot hold the water only. It cannot hold sufficient water which is needed for the plant. It drains out the water. Type of soil is called loamy soil. It contains the mixture of both, that is clay as well as sand. It is the mixture of clay and sand and it is called as loamy soil. It provides enough water and air for the plants. It also contains humus, dead plants and animal skin. Yes, plants grow very well in loamy soil. Soil which is used for growing plants is loamy soil. In sandy soil also we cannot grow plant, and in the clay soil also plant cannot be grown well. So only in loamy soil plant grows well. I think now we can differentiate between types of soil. Yes, clay soil are very small. Sandy soil are large in size, and loamy soil contains mixture of both clay soil and sandy soil. Yes, in clay soil the soil particles will be smooth and soft, and in sand it will be rough when we touch it. Yes, here also the soil particles will be rough because it is mixture of both clay soil and sandy soil. Yes, here in clay soil it holds lot of water and it is sticky, correct? But sandy soil cannot hold water. Loamy soil can hold water which is how much ever it is needed, yes, and rest it can drain out. Plants do not grow well in clay soil. Even in sandy soil, plants will not grow well, but in loamy soil, plants grow well. That is the difference between three types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil. Thank you.